Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fully loaded Tater Tot Nachos. Alright, very easy to do, and this is a really cool thing for the weekend, just for a nice easy bit of a meal or even a lunch. Alright, 500 grams of ground beef or beef mince. Just bought that from the supermarket, put that into a dry fry pan, no oil required, and we're going to start browning that off. Now the fat from that beef is going to lubricate our pan. Alright, so just keep moving that around. You can see the beef fat's already starting to render out of that beef mince. No, just keep moving that around, breaking it up, and I'm going to add in half a jar of salsa, just salsa you buy from the supermarket. Buy your favorite brand, it doesn't really matter. Right, give that all a bit of a mix through, just like I'm doing there, and it's going to give us a nice little touch of a Mexican flavor, but I'm going to add in even more. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of taco seasoning. This is my own home blend, and if you haven't seen some of my Mexican inspired recipes before, you should, because I'll show you how to make your own taco seasoning. Right, just keep moving that all around, and just keep cooking that beef off, and wait until the pan starts to go a little bit dry and that salsa has basically cooked out. I'll take another couple of minutes or so, and once that is done, we can switch that off and we can put that aside. Now Mrs. KP has come to the rescue with a oven dish. We've lined that so cheese won't stick to it, and I've got a little ramekin in the center. Now if we want some tater tots, you cook them the way you want to cook them. Cook them like the back of the packet says. Put them in your deep fryer like I do, put them in your air fryer, it doesn't matter, just cook tater tots. Alright, as many or little as you want. Alright, and we're going to start sprinkling some of that meat mixture that we've just made up around the tater tots, just like that. Just little pockets and little explosions of flavor when we start eating this eventually. Alright, so just keep mixing that, or putting that around just like that, and I tell you what, it really works. The flavor combination of this dish really works. Here I've got some refried beans. Just put little dollops of refried beans here and there, just little explosions of flavor as you get into this. You just don't know what you're going to expect, because it's all going to be hidden with some cheese. Alright, so just dollop a little bit of refried beans here, a little bit of refried beans there, just like that. And there's no point in making your own refried beans for this dish. It's quick and easy, this one. I'm also going to add in some little sliced jalapenos. They're going to go in just like that, and I'm putting them on my side of the dish. And this is the cool thing, you can customize this however you want. You can add black olives, you can do whatever you want. Now we've got some cheese. I'm using a Mexican blend cheese that I get from Costco. Great flavors, good price, and add as much or little cheese as you like. We're going to really layer this up, and I'm going to save you the drama of having to watch me do that. And as you can see, we've still got that little ramekin in the center, and you will see what that is for a little bit later on. Right, oven sitting with our grill on. We're going to put that under the grill until that cheese has gone nice and golden, and those little tater tots, they're going to warm up at the same time, and it should look something like that at this point. Alright, and yes, we've cooked that with the ramekin in there, and I'm going to remove that ramekin, and just be careful, it's going to be very hot, and we've got a nice little perfect circle in the middle. I've got another ramekin exactly the same size, and I've got sour cream in that ramekin now, and that can go sit in the middle, so you can just add as much or little sour cream as you'd like. Here I've got some finely chopped and de-seeded tomatoes, and also a little bit of red onion. Sprinkle that all over the top, and that's just going to give us a whole heap of new flavors to this little dish. Sprinkle as much or little as you want on that. Add some coriander if you like. I love my coriander. Mrs. KP doesn't, so she doesn't get as much coriander as I do. And we've got some little cubes of avocado. Just place those over the top, and it's going to add a nice freshness to this dish. So you can end up with these beautiful fresh taco type flavors, and a real filling style with the tater tots underneath. You could even do this with your corn chips or tortillas if you want. And there you go. You're at KP's new version, fully loaded Tater Tot Nachos. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy, it is fun to eat as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading. I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really cool party dish just like this one for not a lot of bucks, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my tater tot nachos, and I will catch you next time. Bye.